Hello, good evening, friend. Here we will learn about metering regulating skid (MRS). As we know, MRS main function is to convert high pressure gas to low pressure. Usually in CGD, MRS will convert 4 bar pressure into 1.5 bar. So let's understand parts of the MRS. Usually main parts of MRS are filter, meter, EVC, SSV, CRV, and one stainer sometime available also. So here we will understand all parts of the MRS one by one. So in market usually these are the MRS capacities available: G25, G40, G40 25 rating. Maximum flow rate of that MRS is 90 SMH. Apart from that, G16 MRS also available, G400 also available. So if you want the capacity with rating, you can take note down the readings. So we will understand how will gas enter into the MRS. First, gas will enter into the filtering unit, then it will go to meter, then it will go to SSV inbuilt regulation, then it will go to downstream piping. So here we will learn about how the MRS work in every parts of. So here gas will come inside the filter, then filter clean the gas, it will block the dust particles, debris, etc. inside the filters. So here you have one pressure gauge is there, that is called differential pressure gauge. The main function of differential pressure is to note, give the indication inlet pressure, outlet pressure difference. So if there is a difference between inlet pressure and outlet pressure, then differential pressure will give the some values. So it means dust is available inside the filter. So we need to remove this dust by closing the filter walls, and then we will remove this end cap. Then we can remove the dust particle inside the filter. Apart from that, if more dust particles are there, then we will remove this stud bolt. Then we need to clean the filters. Then usually in MRS, RPD meter is used. RPD meter is a just mechanical meter. It will give the uncorrected volume of the gas. So this RPD meter didn't consider the pressure and temperature of the gas flowing. So as per standard, we need to provide the billing based on SCM or MMBTU. So So in RPD meter, it will not consider the pressure and temperature, then it will give the uncorrected value. So for that reason, we are installing EVC. EVC main function is to convert uncorrected volume into corrected volume with the help of pressure and temperature sensors. So EVC consider the gas flow along with the pressure and temperatures. So it will measure how much gas is flowing and what is the temperature and pressure. After compiling the pressure and temperature value, it will give the corrected value. Then this is the main important parts of the MRS SSV, including regulation. So as we know, a regulator function is to regulate the pressure. So in MRS it will convert 4 bar pressure into 1.5 bar. So here a black part is there now. With the help of that, here one nut is there. So if we want to increase the pressure of MRS, for example 4 bar to 2 bar, then we need to tie this. If we want to decrease the pressure of MRS from 4 bar to 1 bar, then we need to lose this screws. So we can set the values of MRS with the help of these screws. Then other two major points or settings of the MRS is SSV in OPSO and UPSO. UPSO is over pressure shut off. The main function of the OPSO is to block the overpressure inside the MRS. If pressure is increased with set values, then SSV suddenly shut off and block the gas flow. Another major setting is the under pressure shut off. If the MRS value is decreased to set value, then also MRS will shut off. So if we want to increase the SSV also overpressure value, then we can do with the help of this nut is there, no? We can increase or decrease the SSV value to increase or decrease the OPSO. For under, we are using this brush like fitting is there, no? So we will tight or loose based on the requirement of the under pressure. For under pressure, we are using this brush, and for over pressure, we are using this line outside is there, no? So we will tight or loose based on the requirement to increase or decrease of the SSV under pressure over pressure values. Then another is creep relief valve. Creep relief valve is designed to release the small gradual increase the pressure. So for example, our outlet pressure is 1.5 bar, but if regulator is not working and then our pressure is getting increased, then CRV get pop up, then it will release the gas from the CRV. Another thing is the automatic meter reading. Usually in previous day what happening? Each day patrolman or O&M agency will go to particular MRS and they note down the meter reading. Then based on that meter reading in every 15 days billing will be provided. But to avoid this, one automatic meter reading AMR is introduced into the market that will directly give the that meter reading to the server, then from server to end user it will provide. So at that time no need to go to take the reading to MRS. Hope you understand. If you are having any doubts, you can put in the comment box. Thank you.